Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making baklava. In my bowl I have 400 grams of blended walnuts and 50 grams of pistachios. I'm going to add 100 grams of caster sugar and a teaspoon of grounded cinnamon. I'm going to mix it in and leave it to one side. I'm going to take my melted butter and paste it around the bottom. I'm going to take a Phyllo pastry sheet and place it in the bottom. Spread some more butter. And repeat this 5 more times. I'm now going to sprinkle over some of my walnut and pistachio mixture. Then add another 6 layers of Phyllo pastry. Sprinkle some more on top. Add another 6 layers and repeat this process one more time. I'm now going to take my knife and cut halfway through my baklava. I have preheated my fan oven to 150 degrees and I'm going to bake it in the oven for 1 hour and 25 minutes or until it goes golden brown on top. My baklava has finished cooking. I have just taken it out the oven and I have warmed some honey in a bowl. I'm going to take my honey and pour it over the top using a tablespoon. I'm now going to leave it to cool for an hour and then cover with tin foil and serve at room temperature. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.